Something that's new in 13, the 2019 edition, and we're really glad that this is now in there, that you cannot use an air compressor that has a disconnecting means by way of a light switch or a plug-in cord. So if you are, plugging in an air compressor and it goes to a light switch, that is not allowed. Or your customer is. If you have a, just wired directly to anything that has the light switch. A light switch can only handle about, I think it's 10 amps to 12 amps, the standard use light switch. So that's something that you want to keep in mind, because even a small air compressor is going to spike high on amperage when it starts up. And again, in this application, it's going to start up a lot. It's going to start up a couple times a day as the system starts to leak. So it's going to be seeing high amps a lot. So you have some real electrical issues there. And then the plug-in cord, I mean, it's just too easy to remove. It's too easy. People shut these things off in these rooms all the time. And then you get low air alarms and things like that. So there's a large variety of reasons why this is a great idea. So